Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is L and M are points on the sides PR and QR respectively of triangle PQR such that RQ equals to 39 cm, RM equals to 13 cm, RP equals to 60 cm and RL equals to 20 cm. Find the relation between LM and PQ. Here we have given RQ equals to 39 cm, RM equals to 13 cm, RP equals to 60 centimeters, RL equals to 20 centimeters. Here we can observe RQ equals to RM plus MQ. That is 39 equals to 13 plus MQ. So MQ will be 39 minus 13 means 26. PR equals to RL plus LP. 60 equals to 20 plus LP. So LP will be 60 minus 20 means 40. So the ratio RL to LP be 20 to 40, that is 1:2. And ratio RM to MQ is 13:26, that is 1:2. So in triangle RPQ, RL by LP equals to RM by MQ. So by converse of basic proportionality theorem, LM is parallel to PQ by converse of basic proportionality theorem, LM is parallel to side PQ, or LM is parallel to PQ.